What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel on Auto Addiction. Today we're going to be working on the 2005 Sierra build and installing the headlights with switchback bulbs and the turn signals. So you guys check it out. Alright guys, so we're checking out the Sierra build for the first time. Sorry I have to do a voiceover on this video since all my audio did not record. So I didn't want to miss out on anything on this video because we're going into installing the headlights and putting in switchback turn signals in the front end. So I wanted to do a video on it. I did the video and then everything got erased. So it's my daughter checking out the truck for the first time and just about to show her the LED taillights in the truck. So you guys saw those on a previous video. And then we also got the LED tag lights. So they look pretty sick. Also, if you look at the lower right corner of the tailgate, we installed the Sierra emblem, new style emblem, and also a new tailgate handle and bezel. So that's all been installed, and now we're going to get on to installing the headlights. About to unbox them here in a second, so check it out. Alright guys, so we just already installed the LED bulbs themselves. I got switchback bulbs for the turn signals, got LED bulbs for the DRL lights, and LED bulbs for the marker lights on the sides. And then we're going to be wiring in resistors in this video, so you guys check it out. That way you don't get the hyper flash whenever you turn the turn signals on. Usually get the hyper flash of a bulb's out, so since LEDs are less resistance, that's why you have to put in resistors. Also, we installed fog lights, which we'll be wiring those up in the next video. Check those things out. They look super good. They're like a smoked housing fog light. They look awesome in the bumper. So we're going to get these headlights out of the truck, get them unboxed. I'll show you guys what they look like. They're awesome looking headlights. I definitely recommend them for the look. Now, as far as when I opened them up on the last video, I didn't notice it, but all the mounting brackets were broken. Downfall is I had them for over 30 days, so I had to fix all the mounting brackets myself because the company wouldn't warranty them out. Is what it is, my bad. Get stuff, gotta open it up, make sure it's not damaged, and I didn't do that. So here's the headlights. You can see right there where I fixed them, both sides, but the headlights themselves, smoked housing, and then they got a LED DRL light in them. So we're gonna get to putting these in, and then I'll show you guys how to wire in the resistor so you do not get the hyper flash and keep everything working like it should work with the upgraded bulbs. Alright guys, so on the passenger side, I already got the resistor wired in. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the resistor wired in. So I still got the nice flash. It switches back and forth between amber and white. Looks pretty sweet. So it's not too bad to do. They come with butterfly clips. There's a resistor right there. Like I said, I'll have a link down below. You just wire it in between the positive and the negative on that circuit. So if I turn it to the driver's side turn signal without the resistor in it, show you guys what it looks like with the hyper flash. And then, so we're gonna get this installed, and not real hard to do. Just take your time and make sure you pull your schematics for your particular truck. On my Sierra, it was a blue wire and the black wire. Blue is your positive, black is your negative. So you just wire the resistor in between the two of them, and it fakes the truck out to make it think it still has an incandescent bulb wired in there. You can see where I installed the butterfly clips right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Light blue wire and the black wire. And we're gonna use butterfly clips and then just install that resistor. Really simple, anybody can do it. And all you need is a pair of pliers. Don't have to splice anything. The butterfly clips crimp right in and make it super easy. So I'm gonna get them installed right here and then show you guys real quick. So just bear with the video and see how the butterfly clips, you just push that metal piece down. It automatically cuts into the wire and makes contact. And then it's a two-hole connector. So you got your resistor goes into one, and then your factory wire goes into the other. And I'll show you a picture of that right here, and it makes it super easy to splice in, real easy to use. So you guys, hope this helps you out when you're installing your switchback headlights. All right, guys, so we got the resistors all wired up. I got them tucked down in there. We're gonna put a zip tie on them just to hold them off the plastic, because the resistors will get hot. You don't want to melt the plastic and start a fire. So get those mounted up out of the way. Got the marker lights all installed, and right there I'm showing you a good place to zip tie it up out of the way, you know, where you can mount it into the metal frame. You just don't want it sitting right on plastic because it will get hot. Lights look killer. We're gonna go ahead and put them on and show you guys what they look like. And again, I think the looks of these lights are awesome. They match the grill perfectly. So super stoked on how these things turned out. I think they look really good even turned on. Like I said, I got all LEDs, and then still has the amber behind the smoked. So it gives it kind of a factory look, but custom look at the same time. So really happy the way these lights turned out. And there's a turn signal on, switching back and forth. Like I said, so then it goes from the white to the amber, and looks super clean. So I think they look awesome. We're gonna get the headlights put in right now, so you guys check it out. All right, guys, so there's the headlights right there. Got them installed. We still gotta wire up the DRL light strip, which I'm gonna do that when I wire up the fog lights. But I'm gonna pull the truck over. We're gonna get the headlights all aimed. Just 2 screws to adjust the headlights. So I'll show you guys what they look like real quick. I got LED bulbs in those too. So super bright. I think they look really good. They're really easy to install, especially on the 99 to 06 Sierras. Just 2 pins at the top you pull, and then the bottom one just clip in. So really easy install. Like I said, a good upgrade for your truck if you're just looking to change the look of the front of your truck. I think the truck looks killer right there. You guys let me know what you think down below. We're about to pull this thing out of the garage and go drive it for the first time. All right, guys, there she is rolling out of the shop for the first time in 10 months. We're going to take it out for a drive, put some fuel in it, and see how she drives. So haven't driven it since it was lowered. So my daughter pulling it out of the garage right there. Brakes are really sensitive, so she came to a complete stop right quick. But truck looks killer. We're going to pull it around, take it for a drive. If you guys know of any third brake light LEDs that are smoked, just please comment below, so that way I know which ones are good and which ones are not good. And then we're gonna take the truck, wash it off, and take it for a drive. All right, guys, so she drove super good. Pulled it back into the parking lot. Everything ran good on it, didn't get hot. Drove straight. We got alignment done on it before I drove it a couple days before. So stay tuned on the video. I got another video coming. We got the interior going out of it, and we're about to install a stereo. Got wheels and tires, paint the calipers, trying to get ready for Daytona truck meet. So appreciate everybody's watching. Appreciate all the support. Here's a couple more clips of the truck out in the light. The color is so awesome looking. So I'm so stoked how this truck's coming out. Gotta get the windows tinted. So a lot to do in the next 3 weeks. So again, I'm so apologetic for the video. Have to do the voiceover. Really sucks. I lost all my audio, but I still wanted to get this video out to you guys because I think the truck just looks killer, and I think if I missed this video before I went on to the next video, it'd be a total shame. So wanted to get this video out there. Again, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys like the build so far, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.